Hit the subscribe button and bell icon to never miss another update from Nailacious. Hey there! Thank you so much for watching Nailacious. The love I have received on my last 3 videos is tremendous. Thank you so much. Keep showering the same love forever. So today's video is a pure content video where I'll be telling you about halo eyes and how to get them. Basically, halo eyes is also called as spotlight eyes, where the shimmer or the lightest shade is on the middle part of your eye and the darker shades are on both the corners. If you remember, I had done the gradient eyeshadow. I'll link it somewhere here. You can click it, view it if you haven't. What happens in gradient eyeshadow is the lightest shade is on the inner corner of the eye and gradually the shade increases. But this is something different. It is very trendy and people really dig it. Because it intensifies your eyes and gives it depth. So okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with the 925 Lakme CC Cream, applying it all over my face and the neckline. With a beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it out evenly into my skin. I'm just gonna do this quickly because it's basically an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm using Nelf Cosmetic concealer for my under eyes and the T-zone. Just blending everything. Just doing a light contouring with the Mascara contour palette. Now I'm using Pro Art blending brush. I'm first starting with the transition shade, moving it in circular direction and swirls till my brow bone. I'm going to use blue shades, so I'm first starting with the light blue color. You can see I'm going from inner corner to the outer corner till the crease. Then I'm using a flat brush so that I don't have a lot of fallout. Now I'm going to intensify only the corners. Going with a darker shade. Both the corners repeatedly. And the crease line a bit so that it doesn't look odd. Just defining it a little bit. And now I'm going to use this beautiful shimmer palette. I got this from a local drugstore and look at it, so pretty. You can find it on Amazon as well. So we are going to use this golden shimmer shade. Look at its pigmentation, amazing. Yeah, you can see I'm just doing it on the center part of my eyelids. I'm impressed. Just doing a little of the blue shimmer so that it blends. Then I'm using a blender brush and blending the golden and the blue shimmer powders. I'm going to repeat this again. That's it is so easy, yet it looks so pretty. Now I'm doing in the same manner my lower lash line. So the golden shimmer in the middle section and the blue shades on the corners. That's it, now we're doing the other eye. I'll just fast forward this. The procedure remains the same. And it doesn't take a lot of time. Nothing has to be perfect in this. The only thing important is blending. Try it with shades of same family, or you can go with some contrast like I did. And now I'm doing the inner corners as well with the same shimmer shade. I'm going to apply eyelashes off screen. I'm using this matte lipstick from Glamy, which is a nude lipstick with a brown undertone. Topping it with Glam 21 Velvet Matte nude lipstick with a caramel undertone. I have kept my lips simple because my eye makeup is loud. So yeah, I'm done. How's it? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. It is not at all difficult. Please give it a try. And whatever products I have used today are mentioned in the description box. You can check it out. If you want, you can buy it as well. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Till then, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please don't forget to comment. Okay, bye bye. My previous videos are here and here. You can watch them and don't forget to subscribe.